this is Subhashri and welcome to my channel. My today's recipe is simple Bengali style Masoor Dal. It's a really delicious comfort food that you can enjoy with a hot bowl of rice. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First I'm going to pressure cook the Masoor Dal. For that here I have taken 1 cup of Masoor Dal that I have washed really well. I'm going to add the Masoor Dal. I have added the Masoor Dal in the pressure cooker. Now to this I will add 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 green chilies, and then we will pressure cook this for 1 to 2 whistles, and once it gets pressure cooked we will let the pressure release on its own before opening it. I have given it about 2 whistles and I have let the pressure release on its own. Now we will check to see how the dal has been cooked. As you can see, the dal has been cooked really well. Now I will use a dal masher and continue to mash the dal well. If you don't have a masher like this, you can always use a ladle. So I've mashed the dal well. Now we will keep this aside and start making our Masoor Dal. To make the Masoor Dal, we will first add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. First we will heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now we will add 1 Kashmiri red chili, 1 teaspoon of pachforon, and also add 5 to 6 garlic cloves that I have sliced into long strips. You can also finely chop it or crush it and give that. Now we will fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes at a medium-low flame. Now we will add 1 small onion, 100 grams that I have sliced into long strips. We will fry the onions for 4 to 5 minutes till they become soft and translucent. We do not need to caramelize the onions. The onions have now become soft. Now we will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now we will fry the masala at a medium-low flame for another minute so the raw smell of the turmeric goes away. I have fried the masala for about a minute now. To this now we will add the cooked Masoor Dal, so go ahead and add all of that. We will also add some water. Typically Bengali style Masoor Dal is a little bit lighter and watery, but you can always add water as per your preference. Now we will add some more salt. We also added some salt when we pressure cook the Masoor Dal, so just be mindful of that when you add the salt. Now we will increase the flame and bring the dal to a boil. The dal has now come to a boil. You can see there is some froth which has come on the top. Now with a ladle, gently remove and throw away this froth. Our Bengali style Masoor Dal is now completely ready. This is an absolutely delicious comfort food with a hot bowl of rice. Please do try the recipe and let me know. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.